how to make this clamp drawing. Welcome to CAD 36. First we make this part, this bracket, then this hole, then third one is this web. The height is 300 and overall length to be 300, and first we do this, and width to be 100 mm and 3 holes. Okay, we'll start with the front plane, sketch, line. We'll start with the origin, so we'll make from here. Just draw the shape. First we draw the shape, basic shape, then we will make dimension and finalize the sketch. Select the top and bottom line and make it equal, and this corner 2 lines, make it equal. Again go to circle, make a circle, then make a line and go as per the sketch, and offset to be 12 mm. Okay, then just trim these lines so you will get the single object. Okay, now we already done this portion, so we make a dimension. The shape came approximate the size, so we make some dimension. Before we make some fillets here, 12 mm fillet. This is already 12 mm. Diameter to be 60 dia, but we got in radius, so select this dimension, right click and display as dimension, display as diameter, so it will come to the diameter. And again go to the dimension, make the dimension is 44, this to be 20 mm, width to be 20, overall height to be 300 mm. This to be 75, we'll make it 75. We add this to be 75. Okay, and this from here to here 300. This center of the circle to this to be 45. We'll make fillet here, fillet 12 mm fillet. Okay, we have to add this width, so this width to be 20 mm. That's why it is still in blue color. Now see, all in black color now. So we have, the drawing is fully defined now. So go to extrude, select the midplane and extrude for 100 mm width. The width to be 100 mm width. Then again we need to add this stiffener now. So go to the front plane and sketch. Again go to the line and make a line. If you come back there, the same point, you will get the arc. So you can make a arc again. Now we have to convert these lines. So select these lines and go to convert entity. So we no need to draw again. So it is already converted as a line. Now just trim the line which we not required. Then select the line from the origin and make this line as construction. We need only for the reference only, from here to be 75. Okay, then go to circle and draw a circle for 75 radius and just trim it. And we need to extend this arc actually, so otherwise it will not extrude. So you make a small line here and join here and connect to the arc, then it will show it is matching. Otherwise it will not extrude in Solidworks. That's why we are doing. Then make a dimension, this to be 120 mm, this radius 70 mm radius, and this is 75. Okay, 70 mm radius, this radius 75. Okay, then extrude. Again we have to extrude from the midplane and extrude for 32 mm and be with merge cell. Okay, then let's select this surface and sketch and make a circle, and this circle for 40 dia. Then extrude cut. This time we have to go for extrude cut and select up to surface. Okay, and we have to make 3 holes in this surface, so go to select the surface and sketch, then draw a 3 circle, 1, 2 and one more, the center. So 3 circle. Again select these 3 circle, make it equal. We need to give some relation, otherwise the work will be keep on going. So we'll go with this dimension. So the center to center to be 65, and we'll make this to be center, so 65 by 2, and this diameter to be 12 mm, and the hole to out to be 30 mm. See, now it is in the black color, so it is fully defined. Again we have to go this to be 30 mm, and this is finished. It is already in the center, so no problem. Then go to extrude cut and again up to surface, just rotate the object and select the surface and click accept, and change to the shade with edge. Now you can see the sketch. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. And if you want to change that, add that material, just right click and add the material, and you can change the appearance also as you like. What color you want, you can add it. And see, it is in looks like some different angle, so we have to go to the move and copy feature and change the direction. So go to the features and change the angle to be 90 degree. Okay, this is how it looks. So we'll keep it as same as it is. If you want to check the weight, go to the evaluate and mass property, and you can change in the kg also. Change to the kg and check. It is 16 kg 49 gram of carbon steel material.